How to remove a bathroom mirror. All right, so your first step is to gather your tools and safety. So start by protecting yourself and getting the right tools. You're going to need gloves, safety glasses, a potty knife or pry bar, a painter's tape, and a drop cloth. All right, so once you're done here, the next thing is to protect the mirror itself. So you could protect the mirror by applying tape across the mirror surface in an X pattern to present to prevent shattering. It's meant to look like this. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is now go ahead and remove clips or screws. So if your mirror has clips or screws, remove them first. And then once that's done, you can now begin loosening the adhesive. So you could just simply put a potting knife behind the mirror and then begin to cut the adhesive down. And then once you're done, carefully remove the mirror itself with help if needed. Carefully pull the mirror away from the wall and onto the floor. And then once you're done, go ahead and clean the wall by removing any leftover adhesive and just clean the wall surface. And that's it, guys.